tayo ngayon. Tuloy natin yung bike build nung titanium ni wife. Pasok. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung progress natin sa day 2. So basically, installed na yung handlebar natin, which is a 3880 integrated. So nakapasok na yung cable nitong STI natin. Ito siya. So papasok dito. Ito yung para sa Di2 battery natin. So yung mga naka-install natin is yung crank, chainring, and then yung brake caliper natin, pati yung RD. Tapos install na rin yung fork natin. So basically ang ginagawa ngayon ni Alan is binubuo na rin niya yung wheel set natin para dito sa mga Pirelli na to. So if ma-receive natin yung fork, yung seat post natin, probably matatapos yung bike build rate. Yun na lang na. Okay. So ito yung day 2. Tatapusin natin today yung bike. Tapos kasama natin si Piolo. So ito Piolo Pascual. Okay, so final touches tayo. Handlebar, fork, wheel sets installed. Basically, ang gagawin na lang ni Alan nito is, other than the bar tapes, is itutune niya yung group set since buo na siya. Tapos na bang? Hindi pa na tono, no? Hindi pa. So, yun na lang. Halos pa tapos na yung build natin. And then, kasama natin si third. Yung kasama natin CRZ from Nueva Ecija. At ito yung titanium niya. So, third is basically coming from Merida, Sculptura. And then, Bianchi. And then, basically, moving towards made-to-measure titanium. So, yun yung next project na abangan nyo. Follow yung Walser page. Para makita nyo yung build ng chief mechanic natin na si Alan, which is going to be the next bike project for third. Okay? So, this is for my wife. Nasa likod ng camera ngayon, hindi mo maipinta yung ngiti niya. Pumapalakpak yung tenga. Inip na sabi niya, tagal naman buhay ni Alan yung bike ko.
Basta na magka-thread.
Putay, hindi magka-thread. Good news yun. So in-oversee ni Coach yung build natin. This is what makes it very very special sa Walser brand kasi yung mismong designer, developer ng frame is going to oversee yung build ng bike up to the last detail. So which means pag mayroon mga konting problema, yeah, definitely there is always a solution kasi ang mismo nag-oversee ng build natin is yung designer ng bike and nagpo-produce ng mga parts niya. Tingnan ang dugo.
That's a good point to consider kasi dahil tayo rin yung nagpo-produce ng parts,
Yeah.
you're guaranteed that whatever we need, we will supply. Like today, nakalimutan mo bumili ng ganito. Pero ang kagandahan din, we give the customer the choice to buy your own. If you think that you can save more outside or your contact. But just in case yung nabili mo, dahil nagmarunong ka, hindi kasya, fall back.
Yep. So basically almost 90% done na tayo. Itong current process na to is Coach, who is the designer of this bike, is basically doing the quality check if all the installation and configuration of the bike meets the standard. Good?
Yeah. No. So the unique aspect of this design is we try to remove the spacers. So in a regular production bike, industry standard bikes, the template is the shorter the top tube, the shorter the head tube. And for some of us, that's the #1 cause of neck strain, lower back pain, numb fingers, because you have to really go down just to reach. Normally, when we go to a bike fitter, the remedy is they have to increase the spacers.
Yep.
And then, in the most extreme situations, they have to invert the stem just to relieve the pain. Okay? So, if you're not one of those perfect people, part of the Aryan race, you have perfect proportion. The formula for Filipinos is a shorter top tube, longer head tube, but the key to make it look good is what we call proportionality. So it has to look proportion. You just can't just slap on the geometry that you want. That's why there's a lot of stereotyping and sometimes bad reputation of the old style made to measure bikes. They look like farmer bike because it's all about comfort, not aesthetics. But for this one, we can combine the advantages of comfort, aesthetics, and of course performance. So yeah, this is the end result. This is for a person who is not even a biker. Yeah. So there you go. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, so final stage tayo. I-apply na natin yung bar tapes na Brooks. Ito yung in-order natin from Singapore kasi I really wanted to achieve yung classic look. Kaya when you say classic, it's Brooks. It's made in London. Kaya ito yung lalagay natin para to match this tan wall tires. Install na natin siya para matapos na natin yung build. Final touches. Tan tan tanan, tan tan tanan, tan.
I'd zoom around the world with you sitting there behind me. I'll take you to places past several faces, just living life so carefree.
Mami, papalakpakin mo yung tenga mo. Bilis! Galaw-galawin mo sila.
If I could sail a boat, I'd cruise across the sea. A sweet adventure for us two. I'll be Jack and Jill Rose, just please.